We are reading for the sign of Gemini for the next, let's take from now until the end of the month. So, all that my Gemini people can possibly expect for this month. So, right now, for many of you, you are finding it difficult to move on from a situation. With Justice card, you are waiting for closure, maybe for some of you, or you're waiting for this person to tell you why things have happened the way it has. Okay, for some of you, you guys are waiting for things to be normal, like between you and this person. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, some of you are waiting for stability with the same person who you cannot move on from. Okay, so I see you waiting. Okay, so here we go. Spirit, give one card for what's really coming towards Gemini from now until the end of the month. With the Judgment card, I do honestly feel that someone who's been trying to stay away from you will in some which way try to get back. Okay, that's something I see. This person has been trying to hide things from you, not wanting to share their feelings with you. So let's see how they'll possibly come forward towards you now. One card for how the Gemini soulmate is possibly going to come forward towards Gemini now. Yeah, with Nine of Swords here and the Hermit card, this person is still distancing themselves, not yet around. Okay, with Nine of Swords, this person is very, very restless. I don't see them openly communicating or, wanting to, speak the truth as of now. What do they have in mind right now, Spirit? One card. What does the Gemini soulmate have in mind right now? This person is not getting proper sleep. They are very stressed about the whole situation between the two of you. Okay, that's something I see for now. So give one card for what's on their mind right now. With Nine of Pentacles, this person is not financially stable and they feel all caught up. They have a lot of other responsibilities which you might have no idea about. So with Eight of Swords, this person is definitely stuck in another situation. If not a relationship, I do see them stuck in another situation. With Nine of Pentacles, they are wanting to be more financially independent or financially stable before coming towards you. Okay, so that's something I see for now. So Spirit, give me one card for what's the main focus going to be for Geminis from now until the end of the month of May. What's the main focus going to be for Geminis from now until the end of the month? Sorry. You guys, I believe, cannot possibly move on. You guys are trying to, but cannot. Okay, that's something I see for now. The main focus is Nine of Wands. You guys are not wanting to open up or not wanting to take the first move. You guys are waiting there. I see you being hurt. This situation has been going on for a while and it has left you completely drained. Okay, I see you being down, sometimes wondering if you should quit, but you are not quitting. Okay, that's something I see. So one card for the past, between Gemini and their soulmate. One card for the past between Gemini and their soulmate. We have the Lovers card, and Knight of Pentacles. Even if the person did not make the right moves towards you, you still wanted them. You very much wanted them. This person in the past could have tried to make you feel like they are coming forward or they are wanting to invest, but it did not go anyway. Okay, but with the Lovers card, you were very much in your feelings for this person. Okay, with Eight of Pentacles, you were very much wanting to work on it, very much wanting to fix it. Okay, that's something I see. So what's the future thing that's coming towards Gemini? In the future, what's really coming towards Gemini? What's next for Gemini and their soulmate, Spirit? With the Three of Cups, I do feel that this person in some which way is wanting to reunite with you. But the problem is, are they willing to give you the commitment? That's a big issue. Yes, this person might want to reunite, but I do not see the commitment thing happening very soon. Okay, but I do see them coming back to you. Okay, so one card for their energy towards you for the month of May. Gemini soulmate's energy towards Gemini for the month of May, please, Spirit. It's Seven of Wands. Right now, this person is trying to share a distance from you. They are literally safeguarding themselves from you, not really wanting to tell you what they are up to, keeping a safe distance from you. So how are they possibly going to come forward now, Spirit? How are they possibly going to come forward now? with the death card, I see that this person is going through a lot of transformation. Okay, with Four of Pentacles, they are very much holding back, but that is going to end very soon. Okay, I see them being very resistive in order to open up or in order to take the move forward towards you. So one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for Gemini soulmates intentions towards Gemini. Yeah, with Four of Swords, I majorly feel like there is this break phase that's going on with the two of you. I do not see much communication happening. This person still has to make the move. I do not see communication happening so fast. It's going to be somewhat a very slow month for you. So one card for what action are they possibly wanting to take towards Gemini now? What action are they possibly wanting to take towards Gemini? Many of you guys are possibly connected with a Scorpio. I see fire sign as well, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I see air sign as well. So right now in terms of action, this person is wanting to stay away from you emotionally. Okay, I'll be very honest with you here. You guys know that I'm very straightforward with my readings. I do feel that even in terms of intentions, this person is wanting to take a break from you, not really wanting to step forward, not really wanting to make the first move, wanting to stay away altogether. So what can you possibly expect from your partner for this month, from now until the end of the month? What can Geminis possibly expect from their partner in terms of action, Spirit? One card for that, please. This person is very, very resistive in order to come forward. They are holding themselves back very strongly, not really wanting to make a move. I will be very honest with you. This month is not going to be a happening month for you. I still feel this person ghosting you a lot. Okay, and you wondering if you are worth it or if you should stay. You are trying to question a lot, self-reflecting from the past, but you did have strong emotions for this person. You wanted to get married with them. Okay, so in terms of their feelings for you, one card for their current feelings for you. One card for Gemini soulmates, current feelings for Gemini. They feel stuck to you. They cannot move on, neither can you move on from them. Okay, they are hiding their feelings from you, but they are not really wanting to express it. So right now they are basically overthinking with Nine of Swords at the very start of the read, and with Eight of Swords being here at the now in terms of their feelings, they very much feel stuck to you. Okay, so how do they feel when they think of you, when they miss you? How do the Gemini person truly feels about Gemini when they think of Miss Gemini? With Page of Cups, this person does have feelings for you. They very much want to express it when they think of you, but they are not wanting to. In terms of action, they are very much resisting it, but that does not mean they do not have feelings for you. They very much do. Okay, so what do they want to possibly have with Geminis now? In terms of that, what are they possibly wanting to have together with Geminis? Wheel of Fortune, this person as of now is not really wanting to do much. They are waiting for the future. I'll be very honest with you. They are wanting to go with the flow. I do not see this person making very big changes. The reason being, one card for their blockage. What's the main blockage? What's the main blockage between Gemini and their soulmate? The main blockage, I could say that there is a lot of confusion between the two of you. There was a lot of stagnation, waiting, and confusion. Okay, so we'll give me one more card. What's the main blockage that's holding Gemini and their soulmate away from each other? Okay. With Six of Swords, this person has been trying to move on from you. They were not trying to come forward, rather they were trying to move on. So this person is wholly responsible for this connection that's going nowhere. So this could go vice versa as well. This might be the Gemini doing it, but from what I feel, this person is wanting to stay away. They are wanting to move on. They cannot, but they are wanting to. Okay. So Spirit, give me one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward for Geminis. Where this connection is possibly moving forward for Geminis. I'm sorry for giving this reading, but darling, I just have to read my cards and I have to be very honest with my readings. I still feel on some which level that you guys will come back together, but not so soon. It will take time. I don't see things happening this month. Okay, maybe the next month things will change. As it is, it's your birthday month, being June. But this month, honestly, I do not see much happening. Maybe for the last part of the month. So give me one card for what's gonna happen by the end of the month for Gemini and their soulmate. What's really coming forward for Gemini and their soul by the end of the month? Yeah, I still do not see much happening, darling, like between you and your person. You still feel the separation. You are very much wanting to. So let's see what this person is wanting from you now. So what's the Gemini soulmate possibly wanting from Geminis now? This person in some which way is still wanting that stability with you, but cannot make the move or cannot take action. This person is very unsure what they want, but in the past this person could have wanted stability with you, could have even promised you a long-term marriage or a long-term commitment. Okay, but with Page of Swords right now, I see them being very defensive towards this connection. Okay, for some of you, this person wants your finances more than your love. I'll be very honest, pinpoint honest. I believe your person wants your money more than your emotions, feelings, whatever. Okay, so one card for advice for Geminis, which I do not give usually, but let's see. One card for advice for Geminis moving forward in this connection. Darling, you will have to go through a lot in terms of this connection with Five of Wands. Okay, it's going to be very conflicting, very confusing, and very draining. Okay, so for some of you, I'll be pinpoint honest. Focus on yourself and take a leap of faith forward in life altogether. This connection is very confusing. Trust me on this. No matter how much feelings you have, it's all messed up. This person wants your finances more than your emotions. Yes, in the past they could have wanted to get married, but right now they are solely focused on moving on from you. And what are they wanting from you? We have 10 of Pentacles. Okay, but the problem is 10 of Pentacles sometimes means that this person might want the finances more than the things that will happen after you guys get married. They are wanting the stability aspect more than the romantic aspect of it. Okay, so this is what I have for you. So if you resonate with this reading, darling, please do hit the like button. Please know that it's my job to give you the right reading and not the very happening reading. So if you can understand that part, please do hit the like button if it has resonated. If it did not, I'm sorry, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, darling. Please keep yourself safe during this phase, and if you trust me, I believe that it is time for you to focus on yourself and move forward in another direction altogether. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. Cheers, guys.